Welcome. Question number 8, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students, Objective Test Questions. We have to find the difference between the 15th and the 6th term of a linear sequence, which is the AP, whose common difference is 12. So the only information we have is the common difference. But remember, the nth term of any sequence, linear sequence, is a plus n minus 1 times the common difference, where n stands for number of terms. So 15 terms means that a plus 15 minus 1, 14 times common difference. The 6th term will also be a plus 6 minus 1, 5d. Difference between them, meaning the 15 terms minus what? The 6th term. That will mean that I will take my a minus, plus 14d minus a plus 5 what? D. This is the difference. But if you open this bracket, it becomes a minus a. Then I'll be left with what? 14d minus what? 5d. That makes 14 minus 5, 9d. But d is giving us the common difference, which is 12. That makes the difference of 15th term and the 6th term to be 9 times what? 12. And that gives us 108 if we multiply that, and that is going to give us the option to be option B in the possible answers. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if we have not.